Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. Hudson is leading morning meeting today, even though he's asleep. He's not really doing his job, but it works. All right, Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, school theme song.
A green and white, 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 a green and white. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is Warnsdorf for school. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One's off for school, the greatest school. One's off for school, the greatest school. One's off for school, the greatest school. One's off for school, the greatest school.
All right, let's take a look at our plan for today. So, for math, you are watching a video from Khan Academy that's about equivalent fractions, and then you're completing journal page 243 on that link, and then you're playing equivalent fractions on Connect Ed. For language arts, you're watching Miss Weisbrod's video, and then doing the same thing that you did a few weeks ago except with your new animals. So you're completing your research club organizer subtopics here. So there's a note there that says at least two should be the same as your first animal. So for example, if my first animal was dogs and my subtopics were safety, training, and diet, then when it came to doing tortoises, I would need to make sure at least two of those were the same. So I would need to do diet again and safety, or diet and training. So I need to make sure that they're overlapping. And then you're listening to Charlotte's Web Chapter 5. So make sure you're keeping up with Charlotte's Web because we are going to move quickly. As always, your May-dos are here, and your virtual field trip is about an animal I have never heard of, so it's very interesting, and I think you're really gonna find it enjoyable. You have your spring scavenger hunt to do. Some girls have done it. They did a really nice job finding things outside. It's fun to see what you discover. And remember that our helping heroes of the week are teachers. Shout out to Ronan and Harry who did the taco exercise challenge. Not only did you make me hungry describing your taco, but you did a nice job with your exercise as well. So I hope everyone has a good day, and I will see you soon. Say bye, Hattie.